This is our quick and easy Courgette Dhal. It's packed with plant-based protein and full of flavour. Here's how to make it. Start by thinly slicing a red onion. Cut a courgette in half lengthways and then slice into pieces. Grate ginger and garlic. Then to a pan, add coconut oil, add the whole spices, cumin seeds, cardamom pods, a cinnamon stick and bay leaves. Next, add the sliced red onion and ground spices, turmeric, ground coriander, garam masala, smoked paprika, and follow with the ginger and garlic and the courgette. Add tomato puree and freshly chopped tomatoes, then the lentils, a mix of pre-cooked brown lentils and poi lentils. Also add in a tin of coconut milk. Give everything a good stir and leave to simmer on a low heat for 10 to 15 minutes. Finish off this tasty dal by stirring in some fresh coriander and mango chutney for a touch of sweetness. Garnish with crispy onions, chopped coriander, fresh chillies and dollops of coconut yoghurt, and serve with rice and naan bread for ultimate dipping. This dal is hearty and warming and is guaranteed to impress your friends and family. Give it a try.